All right, so our next guest is a visual artist, he's a ceramist, and he's here to showcase his reggae-inspired masterpieces. And his name is Robert Campbell, not for the first time. Morning, Bridget.
Good morning.
Good to see you.
Yes.
And you brought some wonderful stuff. When they say reggae-inspired pieces, it would be something like...
Yes.
Something like that. Where that came from?
Well, this one came from dancehall scenes from the 60s. So that's how it was inspired.
So you and dancehall scenes from the 60s. But
Yes.
normally, your inspiration, we talk, I know it's International World Reggae Day, but normally your inspiration would come from where? Where you just get up
Well,
and
my inspiration actually came from culture. And culture has always been represented in music and style, the style of music. So you find that a lot of my pieces have a musical reflection, like that piece, musical uprising.
Right, yeah.
Yes. So you find that even when artists would sing a song, they would relate to culture. So when you talk about uprising, Jamaicans are always known to be persons who are always looking to achieve higher goals.
Yeah.
So my art is usually reflected in that manner.
It's interesting because you didn't start here with your creativity.
No.
You started with wood?
Yes, I started out as a wood carver.
Yeah, and the switch was made why?
The switch was made I made the switch in '98.
But why? Why? You just get up one day and say, "Me can't there is no wood thing no more."
No. I was looking for something that was more flexible. So I was working at Wasi Woodwork at the time, and that was where the transmission was made because they had a pottery studio, and I got involved into clay sculpture, and I fell in love with it at the time.
Teach yourself?
I wouldn't say self-taught because I've learned from a lot of persons right across the region.
But you never really go to a class? And
No, I wasn't a part of any specific class.
So
I learned from a lot of Jamaicans.
So you kind of
great
teach
masters.
yourself?
In some
somebody
ways,
might
yes.
just say something.
People would refer to me as a self-taught artist.
Yeah? Whew. And you're kind of diverse.
Yes.
Faces, different things you make. You have a favorite piece?
Favorite piece? No, not exactly, because I'm in love with all the pieces.
Like your sons?
Yes.
And daughters?
Yes.
How long would something like this take you to make?
This one, well, I don't work on any single piece right through. It would take time progressively. So I would work on a piece. I'd be working on 10 pieces, 15 pieces all at once. So I don't have any fixed time period on
But
any
so
piece.
from start to finish, a
From
week,
start
a
to
month,
finish,
2 months, a year? Well,
from start to finish, design, drawing, it would probably be a week.
a week?
Yes.
That's good though. And they have some more stuff. And I was interested in this one. It's big first.
Yes. Call it Island Princess.
Island Princess. Where that idea came from, no?
Well, that idea came from the Jamaican woman, strong and energetic, proud. So I have the angle of the head turning sideways, as you can see. You know, like when a girl says she bossy, she turn her side of her head like this.
Yes. The name it, bossy.
Yes.
And this one?
This one is the same Island Princess. It's just a different hairstyle.
The different things that
The Nubian knots, the bumpy head
would
girl.
go into what you do, how you do it, how you do something like this.
Well, this one is a reproduction. So we actually did an original, and then we make a mold for it. So we reproduce it as a limited edition.
So how is it done though? How you get it firm and everything?
Oh, it was fired. After modeling the piece from clay. Yes, after modeling the piece from clay, you would put it into the kiln and fire it for 8 hours. And then remove it from the kiln, and then you can finish it with acrylic or glazes. That's an acrylic finish. This is a glazed finish.
Wow. And again, just people saying things to you.
Yeah, I did a lot of research online as well. I did a lot of research online because I was bent on creating an original concept. Because when I go to different shows across the region, I don't want to look like somebody else.
Okay.
So I did a lot of research. I looked at a lot of artists, different types of work, and then I merged ideas in some ways. And some of the ideas were just original inspiration.
Yeah. Some people work in silence. Some people don't mind if music playing. Some people
yeah.
deliberately play music. How do you work when you
It depends. There was a time when I would prefer to work in silence, but one of my assistants now, Horatio Miles, he plays a lot of music. So then, and he plays, for a young person, he plays a lot of 60s and 70s and 90s.
Jamaican music or
Jamaican
anything?
music.
Yeah?
Yeah, so that kind of bring back memories. Just like even like this piece here, it bring back a lot of memories for some persons.
So what's the difference with work with you? Because you said you used to work in silence. So what's the difference now when you hear the music? It give you more inspiration? Or?
Sometimes it just builds a different energy. But there are still times when I would prefer to work in silence.
Okay. We just saw a couple of those down there.
That's the Island Queen.
Again, it's just a smaller version of...
That one is the Island Princess. I call that one the Island
those
Queen.
That we're looking at on screen.
Yes, Island Queen.
They come from a picture or this just comes from your head?
Imagination.
So you don't look at anything while you're working?
In some instances, yes, but not all the time. But most of the work that I'm doing, that I've done so far.
Explain those now we're looking at. Can we go back to that one, Richard? Yeah.
Well, you mean that the owl and the rabbit? Well, that is new. That's one of my latest design. I really designed that one as a souvenir product for the tourist industry.
Okay.
And the thumbs up was derived from Facebook.
Okay. And that one?
The Market Lady, a reflection of our culture and the times when a lot of women used to carry a basket on their head with fruits.
Yeah. Where do you sell your stuff?
I sell my stuff at Craft Cottage, My Jamaica, Kingston Night Market on a Tuesday night, Heiko Art and Framing, and Gem Palace in Ocherias.
And of course, they could get you there. And
yes, and I also have my website,
yeah.
www.cadabra.com.
Cadabra.
Cadabra, the magic of Caribbean art.
I love it. I really like your stuff. Yeah. Really like your stuff. Good to see you.
Yes.
Yeah. You're into music yourself? Or
no, I'm not into music.
Okay. Yeah.
I just enjoy the inspiration that music gives from time to time.
Beautiful. Visual artist, ceramist, Robert Campbell. So it's International World Reggae Day. But coming next, NEPA Talks, Plastic Bag Free Day. Soon come.